Hello guys, I don't know about you, but I'm super excited. So much excited. There is a lot of joy rumbling within me. I don't know about you guys, but can you see my screen? This is what snapshot loading 99%. Well, first off, I must say congratulations to everyone that must have been farming and mining the CEXP power tap airdrop seriously and effectively. I must say congratulations to you guys. You guys are the real OGs. I don't know if you have seen this message, but here it is. This message was posted on the CEXP official community live page on Telegram on the 18th of December 2024. You know, most of us, we have kind of been skeptical and been confused as touching the listing and snapshot, T.G.E, everything. We have not been hearing anything from them so far, so good. But here it is. This is a surprise. I'm hopefully that this will be an end of the year special package for us all, and we should be getting at least depending on your own token and depending on what you have been issued, at least, let's say at least the lowest, at least we should get at least 100 USDT or more. Just depends though. So quickly, I'll be heading straight forward. I'll be explaining what the snapshot means, because some people might be hearing the word snapshot for the first time and T.G.E for the first time. Some people are just used to only the word listing. How they would just make money. That's the only word they know. Listing. Anything aside from listing, they are not concerned. They don't care. They don't even want to know the meaning. So guys, if you are seeing this channel, I'm too happy, guys. I don't know if you're happy. If you're happy, let me drop a comment in the comment section. Let me know those who are happy just as I am happy. Yeah. If you are seeing this channel for the first time, do ensure what you like this channel, you comment and you subscribe. Let me know the country you are watching from. Drop your country flag in the comment section. In this channel, we learn a lot about cryptocurrency and we're happy people here. Ensure what you join my Telegram channel. My Telegram channel link is in the description box. It's in the pin post in the comment section, and it's in the top of my bio. On my Telegram, there are different airdrop that we're mining before I bring them here to YouTube for review. And on that Telegram, that's how you'll be able to have direct access to me. Ask me whatever question and I'll be there what to answer you as far as crypto is related. And on that Telegram channel, I'll be doing a free crypto trading class on the channel. And as well, after the free crypto trading class, I'll be hosting some group of my mentors in forex and the rest. There is a lot to learn in my Telegram channel, so there is a lot cooking that we're planning here. So quickly, let's head straight forward to the business of the day. So first of all, what is snapshot? So some people might be asking what snapshot is. They don't even know the meaning. Well, snapshot simply means it's a set time whereby the team of developers as touching airdrop. Now I'm explaining snapshot as touching airdrop. Now snapshot is a set time whereby the team of developers as regard a play to earn game or a gaming form or a gaming activity to earn a token. Snapshot is a period on time whereby all your activity in that gaming, right, in that your participation in that game is being calculated, and therefore you'll be known, you'll be issued whether you are eligible or you are not eligible. It is that same time different eligibility criteria will be drawn and conclusion will be made, and it is in that snapshot period, based on your activity, it will now determine what amount of token will be given to you. So a snapshot round is taken before an airdrop and allocation is being done. You understand? That's the time they get to successfully sift out the bots, the cheaters and legal users. You understand? There are different activities in the game. You understand? So it's that time they just make like a judgment and a calculation of all your activities there, and from there you will be allocated a particular token. You understand? Based on their own tokenomics and distribution. So this is it, guys. This is what they say. They say weekend snapshot alert. Then T.G.E just simply means token generation event. That's the time the token will be what created. You understand? It's just a simple word. Then listing, that's when it will now be available on exchanges. So if you don't know, CEXP is actually an exchange. So if they are listing the CEP token or CEP coin, it's going to be first off on their exchange before any major exchange. So and on their exchange, you can actually sell. So this is what you have to do, guys. They say weekend snapshot alerts. The power tap T.G.E is officially starting. You are taking a snapshot of your activity this weekend. Don't miss your chance to be part of the beginning. Let's get the party started. So hopefully this message was posted on December 18th 2024. So hopefully the snapshot will be taking any period from, let's say, Friday, Saturday, Sunday of this month 2024 December. We should be expecting the snapshots to be done, and we don't know when the listing will be taking place, but hopefully we pray they keep to their own plan, and at the end of before 2024 runs out, TGE is done. So quickly, let me just head straight forward to the Telegram bot. Now, for those people that you have not been taking this serious, please, or maybe you have been heaping your coin balance, just quickly go and convert them to what your SEP balance by what upgrading cards. I was leaving mine before because I want to get to level 9, and currently now I'm in level 9. I know most of you are bigger than this. Let me know let me still know what your SEP power. I've seen many with different amounts. Let me know what your SEP power. So quickly ensure what this is what you are going to be focusing on, your power, right? So after all this, your crypto balance you earn through your mining power and your crypto balance, what you just need to do is to what, come down to this mining section. So once you come to mine section, what you just need to do is to what, upgrade card. So see let me just upgrade the card now so you can see how it will increase. This is 5.1 million, right? Let me see if there's any little card here that is I'm able to upgrade. So okay, so let me tap on this. Okay, this one is fully upgraded. So if you can see, there are most cards now are actually fully upgraded. Let me see if this one is already fully upgraded. So if I want to okay, let's see now. I showed you guys 5.1, right? 5.13. So if I upgrade this, it will increase now. So what do you see? 5.140, right? So that's how you increase this SEP, because this is the main focus. This is what we all are seeing on the what, on the CEXP exchange app. So if you know your exchange app is not connected to the Telegram bot, quickly go and connect it now before the snapshot is being taken. Go and connect it. Do not waste any more time. Just go and download the CEXP exchange, Google Play Store or Apple Store. Download it. Once you download it, if you don't know how to connect it, watch this video to the end or just navigate straight to my playlist on my channel. So once you tap on that playlist, look for CEXP full tutorial video, tap on that, search for easy. I made one of the video, you will see easy way to connect your wallet. So just go and check through that tutorial guide, look for any video that you want to watch concerning the CEXP and watch it and learn what to do. So quickly, let me just navigate straight to, so remember guys, I said you are focusing on the power. So just go and upgrade all your card, increase this power quickly before the snapshot is taken this weekend. Hopefully we're expecting it either on Friday, Saturday to Sunday. So this is my CEXP app. So you are going to be seeing that my balance is clearly reflecting on my CEXP exchange app. Now once you get to this exchange app, there is a lot you need to do here. So let me just show you guys. So this is my balance currently, which will be reviewed here shortly. You can see why I'm telling you guys it is the SEP token you should focus on. If you have been mining it, you should know that it is the SEP you focus on. So you see mine is showing here 5.140, right? I know most of you might have more than this. Let the operation continue. Let me know what your SEP token, let me know what country you are watching from. So ensure you learn how to buy and how to sell. If you want to know how to sell your SEP token once it's officially launched, make sure you drop a comment in the comment section. Or if you just want to learn it, just quickly check my playlist guide. I made a playlist guide on how to buy and sell crypto on CEXP exchange. So just go and check that playlist guide. I focused on that one. I won't be able to focus on it in this video because it will be extensively long. So quickly just go to this my profile on my top left. If you just tap on this profile here, ensure what you do this verification, right? If you tap on this verification here, the first layer of verification is necessary because it will going to determine your daily transactions. So the first layer of verification will enable you to get at least I think about 3,000 thereabouts. So once this opens, now we are going to see it. So this is the first layer of verification. Deposit is up to, I'll be able to deposit 3,000 and I'll be able to withdraw $10,000 per day. At least this is fair enough. That's if you're a small trader. So just ensure you do this verification. It's just a very simple thing, basic, that even a child can do. So just tap on it. It will just direct you and you follow the prompts. Then the next thing for you to check on is to ensure that you enable this two-factor authentication. So quickly just go download two-factor authentication on Google Play Store or on Apple Store. So just download two-factor authentication. This two-factor authentication will help you for security measures. You understand? What's your price prediction for CEXP Power Tap? What's your price prediction? For me, I'm thinking maybe it should be 0.001 or 0.01. At least let them start with that. Hence it's an exchange, so hopefully, and hence it's a top tier exchange, top 100 on CoinMarketCap. I believe they should be doing better than listing dust. So hopefully this will be a good one for us all. So thank you guys for watching. Please make sure what you like, you comment and subscribe. Let me know the country you're watching from. Make sure what you join my Telegram channel. The link is in the pin post in the comment section. It is in the description box and it's in the top of my profile on my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching. One more time, please subscribe. Thank you.